Well, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So we are here today at home. We got the 335 right over here. We're actually gonna be detailing it and ceramic coating it, guys. Hydrosilex reached out to me and they actually sent me a huge care package of like a ceramic coating kit, detailing kit, all these nice products. Let me go ahead and show you guys what they sent me. I'm really excited about the ceramic coating kit. I can't wait to get this thing ceramic coated. I think it's gonna help a lot because, as you guys know, I've had problems with like the sprinklers hitting the car and then like creating hard water spots, and I just don't want that. I'm really excited for this, guys. I kind of just woke up. It's really early in the morning, so I'm trying to get this knocked out because I know it could take some time. All right, guys, so here is the box that they sent me. So it came with a few microfiber towels, so that is really nice. I always like some good quality microfiber towels. Can never go wrong with those. But then in here, you guys can see I kind of messed with it already. Let's go ahead, undo all of these and show you guys. Alright, guys, so here's the starter kit that you guys can grab. I'll have a link down below, and if you guys use code WEEKS, I'll go ahead and throw it up over here, WEEKS. You guys get one of these for free. You just have to pay for shipping, and then you guys can get your own little ceramic coating kit as well. This is what it comes in the kit, and all you have to do is pay for shipping if you use code WEEKS by December 31st of this year, 2020. So if you guys want one of these, make sure to go check out the link down below and use the code WEEKS. Let's get everything prepped up so that we can actually put on the ceramic coating. So this is the other stuff that they went ahead and sent me. Let me just show you guys. They sent me out all this stuff as well. So they sent me out the tire shine right over here, the glass cleaner right over here, as you guys can see. So we got a wheel cleaner, some more wax and grease remover, and then some more of the ceramic coating, as well as some silica soap. And then we will use some of this stuff on the actual car itself. This is like similar to this, these packets that come in the little kit. This is the exact same stuff, just a wipe version. And then once we use that, we're gonna go ahead and actually use the ceramic coating spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this small bottle first. These are the exact same, but I'm gonna use this small bottle first, and then we will show you guys the results. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the pressure washer and the foam cannon, and we're gonna go ahead and wash the car. Alright, guys, so now we're gonna use some of the wheel cleaner that they sent out. So let me go ahead and grab that. I believe it's this one, yeah. So we got the wheel cleaner right over here. We're gonna go ahead and use some of this. So I already wiped down, or not wiped down, I already washed down the wheels. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this on, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a while. Normally with these wheel cleaners, you have to let them sit for a while. So let's go ahead and try that. Alright, guys, so it's been sitting on here for like 5, maybe 10 minutes now, and it is picking up some dirt, like right over here, you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it off now and show you guys what that looks like. Oh yeah, you guys can see like the runoff right now, so that's a good sign. We want that. That looks good. That means it's doing its job. Alright, guys, so if you look at over here, the wheel cleaner actually did an amazing job on the wheels. They look really clean, but you definitely want to let it sit on there for a while. So anyway, here are the results. Okay, so the next step though, now that we got the wheels clean, the car clean, is some of this stuff. This is the wax and grease remover. Let me get some better lighting. There we go. Now you guys can actually see. So we got this. If you guys look up here, wax and grease remover. Once this is on the car, on each panel, we're gonna wipe it off, one panel at a time though, and then we're gonna put on the ceramic coating. All right, guys, so we're gonna do one panel at a time. So pretty much you just spray it on the panel that you're gonna do. So I think I'm gonna do the rear bumper first. I'm gonna start on the rear bumper first and then work my way around. Pretty much you just spray it on there and then use a clean microfiber towel to wipe it off. Alright guys, so we just did the wax and grease remover part all over the car. So now the next step is to get the glass cleaner, and we're gonna go ahead and clean the glass with this stuff. Now since I did just wash the car, it should be good, but we're gonna use the glass cleaner just because we're gonna be putting on ceramic coating on that part too. So we just wanna make sure it's gonna be all nice and clean for the ceramic coating. So we got a new microfiber towel and then the glass cleaner, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it on the car. Alright guys, so now that we did the windows as well, I wanted to point something out. So the stuff that I was using earlier, this stuff, the grease remover, the wax and grease remover right over here, this stuff, this is the exact same stuff that comes in the kit, except this is in the wipe form. So I just wanted to point that out, that this stuff is the exact same. So pretty much what you're gonna need to do once you get the kit, which by the way, again, use code WEEKS, I'll write it right over here, in the link down below, and you only have to pay for shipping. So that is a steal of a deal, only good until December 31st, guys. So make sure you guys go get that right now. It's a really good deal. I just want to point out though, that these wipes are the same as that first spray that I was using all over the car. So now that we cleaned the windows, the next step is to actually use the ceramic coating. So this is the bottle that comes in that small kit for you guys. I'm gonna be using this one first, and pretty much we're just gonna be spraying it on, wiping in like a wave motion up and down. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the car. And I'm pretty sure that's all we need to do now. Alright guys, so we got one panel done now. So what I've been doing, I've been using one, so I spray a light mist onto the actual car, then I use one rag to go back and forth in a waving motion like this, and then once I do that, I take a clean one, a dry one, and go over it again. And so I do it 2 times, I go over it twice. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the car. I'm just gonna be moving my way slowly around and recording all of it so you guys can see it. Oh no guys, so it was actually starting to sprinkle some rain, so I actually had to bring the car into the garage, which kind of sucks because there's not as much light for the video, but we're gonna go ahead and keep doing it. As you guys can see, you got a little bit of water spots, so it is sprinkling for whatever reason. I don't understand why, but it wasn't even supposed to rain today, but it doesn't matter. So far we've done the rear end, so we've done this part completely. So we've done the trunk, the rear bumper, and the quarter panel, just the back part of the quarter panel for both sides. We're about 30% done, I would say. I don't know, actually probably less, probably like 25% done, because we still have to do the windows and stuff. So we're gonna do it inside the garage for now. But yeah, let's go ahead, keep going on it. I thought I would update you guys with like the rain situation. So anyway, let's keep doing it. Alright guys, so far now we've done the fender, the doors on this side of the roof, and then the rest of the fender, and then the windows. So we did the rear windows, and then these side windows, and then obviously this mirror over here. So we're almost like, I'm pretty sure we're about halfway done. I'm actually gonna be taking a break. I haven't had anything to eat today, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat real quick, and then we're gonna continue on ceramic coating it. Alright guys, so we went ahead, we did the hood, the front bumper, the fender, and then the driver door, the roof, the rest of the roof, and then these windows. So the last parts that we have left are this last door right here, and then I'm pretty sure that's it actually. I'm pretty sure we already did this part. So we only have the door left, which is really good. So once we get this door done, I think we're gonna pull out the car and then put some of the tire shine on here. I haven't put tire shine on my tires in a hot minute now. It's been a while, so I wanna do that for sure. So we'll go ahead and use some of the tire shine that they gave us as well and show you guys how that looks. Let me just do this last door and then we'll put some tire shine on and I'll show you guys the car afterwards. Alright guys, so we just finished ceramic coating the car with the spray, and so far so good. I mean, it looks really shiny right here. Like, definitely has a nice little shine to it. Let's go ahead and take it outside into the sunlight, see what it looks like out there, because so far it looks really good. I love the shine that it's giving off. The protection should be pretty good. So yeah, let's go ahead and take out the car and put on some tire shine. Oh my gosh guys, look how shiny this thing is. I know you guys can't really see it on camera, but in person it's incredibly shiny. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but so far it's looking really good. Loving the shine. Oh my goodness, like that shine though. Alright guys, so here is the tire shine bottle. Now I believe this is the applicator. I've never really used one of these, so we're gonna go ahead and try it right now. I normally just use a microfiber towel, but I guess normally what I do is I just spray it on. There we go. Maybe we should use it on this. Alright guys, so the tire shine is on. It actually looks really good. I do like using tire shine normally, not a crazy amount, because if it's too shiny, it looks weird. But just the right amount is good, and this is just the right amount, guys. So I would highly recommend this tire shine, to be honest. It looks really good. But yeah guys, the car is officially done with the ceramic coating. We cleaned the windows, we put ceramic coating on the windows as well, and now we put on the tire shine. And the car just looks phenomenal, guys. It is sparkling over here. I don't know if you guys can catch it on camera, but this thing is just sparkling. So honestly, guys, I would highly recommend the ceramic coating just because of the gloss that it gives by itself, not let alone the protection that it gives. All in all, it's totally a great buy. I would highly recommend it. And guys, if you guys want a free ceramic coating kit, go ahead, hit the link down below, enter the code WEEKS, W-E-E-K-S, for your free ceramic coating kit. You only have to pay for shipping. Definitely go check that out, guys. Definitely go check it out. It's totally worth it. Free ceramic coating kit. It's a nice afternoon job. It took me about three and a half hours probably in total. Yeah guys, anyway, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Hit the subscribe button, help me out guys. Hit the like button. But without further ado, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car, guys. I'll catch you guys later.